What is dropshipping and how does it work? You've probably been seeing this dropshipping thing in ads all over the internet lately, or you've come across some videos of people claiming to be successful with it, and you're curious about what it's all about. And you want to see if there's an opportunity for you in this world, right? If this is your case, stay here with me, because this video is for you. Dropshipping is simply a method of shipping and delivering merchandise orders as a retailer. Now, you can say that this is just about becoming a seller, setting up a store or something like that, but wait a second. It is true that it is about selling, but what makes it special is that you do not have to have products in a store. Dropshipping is a business model that you can operate without keeping stock. That is, you do not have to see or have the product in your hands. Isn't that just great? Actually, a computer with internet access and your favorite drink and snack supply is all you need. It's something that simplifies a lot of things. You won't have to worry about paying storage expenses. You won't have anything to do with packaging or delivery responsibilities, and you won't have to manage stock. This means that your expenses will be very low even as you grow as an entrepreneur. Although your expenses will probably increase, they will still be proportionally very low. But that's not all. Even your workplace will also be quite flexible. It's a business you can run from almost anywhere there's an internet connection, because you're going to want to communicate with suppliers and customers. Now that you know what dropshipping is all about, you can't wait to find out how it works. The way the dropshipping business model works is very, very simple. Rest assured that you won't have to deal with too much confusing information. A long time ago, you would have needed to invest in large amounts of inventory to meet customer demand. But now, with the dropshipping model, you don't even need to buy a product. How do you get started? First things first, an online store. Once you have the online store up and running, you can sell the supplier's products without having them in stock. When a user buys a product from your e-commerce site or online store, the supplier will also receive a notification and proceed with the shipment of the order. Let me repeat and put it simply. The customer visits your online store. The customer buys a product in your store. The supplier receives a notification. The supplier prepares the package and ships the product. And finally, the customer receives what he bought from your online store. Isn't all this just wonderful? And it is a booming type of business, in which there is also a space for you, and you can achieve your entrepreneurial goals with it. Some companies that work with dropshipping are Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and Alibaba. Some platforms to create your online store or e-commerce are Shopify and WooCommerce. These platforms will make your life easier with administrative tasks and give you the option of automation. They will also allow you to add, modify, or remove products from the website in a simple way, as well as set the appearance and usability of your online store so that users can complete the purchase process with just a few clicks. You're probably wondering if it's all just advantages, with a certain look of suspicion. But no, it's not all advantages. Of course, like everything in life, there are certain things to consider. Many people get disappointed and end up saying that dropshipping profits are bad. In this highly competitive niche market, the overhead costs are so small that many products end up being offered at low prices. Sellers manage to increase revenue through sales volume. Most customers won't come to your online store to buy on their own. You're going to need to put some work and investment into telling the world that your store is there when they are looking to buy. This is some marketing and SEO work, which means search engine optimization. That is, to appear in the first options of Google when someone uses the search engine to find what they want to buy or simply compare prices. Managing this marketing and SEO will require investing time and money, but it is 1000% worth it, because it will be the difference between success and failure. One last recommendation is to look for dropshipping suppliers that have a good reputation so you don't risk potential scams. Well folks, I hope you have fully understood what this dropshipping thing everyone is talking about is all about. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in a comment below. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day.